So I'm here in Warsaw standing by this amazing clump of hollyhocks. Yes, to these hollyhocks. Look how beautiful this color is. And of course, because they're not mine, I'm not going to prune them, but if I was, I would look at the stem and decide whether these are buds or spent blooms. And you can tell which ones are spent because they kind of point upward. And when you look inside, there's a seed pod forming where these are the new buds. So our taxi came and I had to stop the video, but really quick I just want to show you on this other hollyhock that's in Krakow where to cut. So here we have some blooms, some buds, and some old spent flowers. This right here is a spent one, so if I were to cut it, I would cut right here, because if I cut up here, this stem will turn brown anyway and just kind of look ugly, so you might as well just cut all the way down to the stem. This is a new bud, so I will leave that. Here's another spent one. Here's another spent one. This right here is a new bud. There's a happy little bee inside, covered in pollen. This bud looks like it's about to pop open. Here's another one about to pop. This one's a little further along. There's one with a bee trying to get in. But you can see the ones that are spent kind of are like wider and face upward. And that's how I would prune the hollyhock if it was mine. Maybe we'll find some more hollyhocks to check out. Oh, where'd you go?